Hi, is that too loud? My name's Patrick DeAngelis from x+1. We're based in South Norwalk in New York City. Just a quick intro here, and then we'll show you some of the technology. So what do we do? Ad tech. I guess a lot of fancy words up there, but basically cross-channel digital communications for a lot of the bigger, more sophisticated advertisers out there. So we have a product or a solution we call the Digital Marketing Hub, which uses real-time data to personalize customer and prospect interactions across pretty much any digital channel. Some of these brands you see on the bottom use our system a lot, identifying new customers, existing customers, CRM, if any of you are familiar, and brand marketing. So how do we do it? Just from a tech stack or architecture slide. We've got a pretty decent sized data infrastructure, first party data, which is data that a company holds about its customers. Third-party data, which is data you can buy from others. You're aware of people like Blue Kai, Targus, people like that. And second-party data, which is basically your data, perhaps on search or on display media, that is all integrated into this, this data integration. And then we've got what we call PO in the center there, which is our optimization engine, a business rules engine, and an audience and segment builder. So data comes in, it's collected here, you segment it, slice and dice it, you can do your predictive analytics, and real-time decisioning. Here's your response time average, about 30 milliseconds. We do about 300 billion RTV requests per month. About 220,000 peak transactions per second, and about 120 terabytes a day. Here's some just some stuff about us. We were in the Wall Street Journal a little while back, where they actually tried to sneak in and say some bad things about us, but we didn't outsmart them, but they couldn't sort of nail us for being sort of sleazy. So they threw us on the front page. We're in the Forrester Wave as a leader in the DSP category, and we won a statue from JP Morgan. So some of the companies you may be familiar with here, this is sort of the ecosystem we work in or play in. Your cast of characters up here, right, in the upper left, the media, Google, AppNexus, AdMeld, some of the guys in New York, some of your email search, Epsilon, Kenshu, CMS is Adobe CQ5, then you got your CRM and data players. So quickly, before Zisheng gives me the timeout here, I will bring this up. No. Just bring that over. So you can connect to our system to do some targeting in a few ways. I'm going to show you a JavaScript integration in less than a minute. So what I'm going to do is I've got Firebug, everybody's favorite here, and I'm just going to reload the Chase homepage, which is a customer of ours. I'm going to look for the call to us, and you can see here, there's the call to us, 289 milliseconds, very slow. And here's what we responded back with. So what we did was we told this page, the home page, what to put in all of these different content slots, how to click, what the click-throughs are, right? So you've got trip 1, trip 2, trip 3, right? So we executed 3 predictive models, bundled it all back up, and sent it back to Chase's home page in a few hundred milliseconds. That's really slow. Let's try that again. All right, that should be better. Yeah, I could blame it on the Wi-Fi. Good one, I like that. And that's a little better, okay. So So what that did was that filled out these three card offers right here and what we call the hero. So what we did in that split second was optimize Chase's homepage to say, for me, based on my attributes and all the stuff we know about me, these were the cards that you're most likely to click on or to try to acquire at the best, should I say, the most profitably for Chase, right? So it's not just which one am I going to click on, it's optimizing in terms of the business value for Chase. Done?